Hi children, I hope you are doing well. Now here I have got two strips of paper. You can see here orange and blue. Now I want to stick these two papers and make a single one. Okay, so whose help should I take? Okay, I am going to take the help of this glue. Okay, this glue will help me to join these two strips. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to put little glue here. Okay. And this strip I will take and stick it here. So you see here, the two strips of papers have come one, single one, a longer one. Okay. With whose help? Here, with this glue's help. Glue helped me to stick these two papers and made it a longer one. Okay. So same way children, there are few words in English grammar known as the glue words. They help to connect or join sentences. And those words are and, but, or. Okay. And, but, or. These words, these glue words help us to connect or join sentences. And these are known as conjunctions. Okay. So today children, I am going to teach you about conjunctions. Okay. A conjunction connects or join words or group of words or short sentences. So conjunctions helps us to connect or join words or group of words or short sentences. So children, I am going to teach you and tell you how and, but, or can help us to join sentences and make it to a single one. Okay, so I'm going to tell you all about these one at a time. Okay, first I'll tell you about and. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. So once more I'm repeating, we use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. So I'll show you children how to join two sentences with the help of and. The first one. We went for a picnic. The second one. The second one, we had a lot of fun. So I am going to add and between these two sentences and make a single sentence. Okay? First one, we went for a picnic. I have copied the first sentence exactly the same way here. Now I am going to put here and. After and, if you see the second sentence is starting with we again. Now, if there are two sentences starting with we, the first sentence you will write exactly with we only. But the second sentence you are not going to write we. Okay? We, you have to cut it off and after that you have to write it. Then you have to start with a small letter and then write it down. Okay, here we have, so here we don't have to write we after and. So we start from here, had a lot of fun, full stop. So here we went for a picnic and had a lot of fun. So if you can see here, the second sentence, the we is don't have to write second time we. Okay, the next one, first sentence will be the same, like we went for a picnic. The second one, we felt very hot. So I'm going to make into one with the help of and. We went for a picnic and after and, second sentence starting with we. So we will not write we will start with felt, small letter, okay? Felt very hot. So yeah, we went for a picnic and felt very hot. The next one, same way, we will write the sentence. We went for a picnic, and the next one will be we drank fruit juice. So again I'm going to make it into one sentence with the help of and. So we'll write it here. We went for a picnic. See, same way I have copied the sentence, the first one. Then we'll write here and. We'll join the sentence, second sentence. But we are not going to put we again here. Cut off we and start with a small letter. Okay? Drank fruit juice. We went for a picnic, same, and drank fruit juice. The next one, same way, the first sentence, we went for a picnic. The second one, we'll write it down. We ate sandwiches. Okay, now again we are going to add and make into one sentence. We went for a picnic and now again second sentence we are going to remove it. Start with a small letter. Ate sandwiches. So here also we went for a picnic and ate sandwiches. So second time we are removing all the we's. Okay, both the sentences having we and you are using and to connect them. So second time you are going to remove the e from the second sentence. There is another glue word or conjunction that you want to use when you want to join sentences, and the word is but. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So I'll show you with few examples here. The first one. Mummy made hot dosas. Second sentence. They cooled down. So I'm going to use but now and make it a single sentence. Okay. Okay. The first sentence you have to copy the same way here. Mummy made hot dosas, but second one, then you are going to write it down. Write the same way, exactly the same, but you are going to start with a small letter. Okay. So here we write but they. See, capital letters become small letter here. Okay. After using but, they cooled down. Full stop. So here, mummy made hot dosas, but they cooled down. Next one, first sentence will be, mummy made hot dosas. Second sentence, no one was hungry. So we write it down now. Mummy made hot dosas, okay, but now we are going to write the second sentence using small letter, okay. No one was hungry, full stop. Mummy made hot dosas, but no one was hungry. There are no changes here, okay. Exactly same way with a but and starting with a small letter after but, okay. Next one, same way we have to write. Mummy made hot dosas. The second sentence. Everyone wanted idlis. Okay. Now we'll write it down using but. Mummy made hot dosas, but second one exactly the same, starting with a small letter. Everyone wanted idlis. Okay. There is another glue word or conjunction that you can use when you want to join sentences, and the word is or. Or is used to show choice between two or more options. Many options are given there. Okay, so you have to choose from there only one. So or is used to show a choice between two or more options. So I'll show you with few examples. First one, you can have tea. You can have tea. Second one, you can have coffee. Okay, two sentences. Now we are going to use or and make it a single one. Okay. First one, you can choice, no? Between tea or coffee. So, we'll just write here coffee. We will not copy the full sentence from here, okay? We just write, you can have tea or coffee, okay? Next one. You can go today. Next one. You can go tomorrow. Okay. So now we are going to join. We are going to join these two sentences and make it one with the help of or. You can go today or, and second sentence only we will write here tomorrow and not the full thing. Okay, so here we will write down tomorrow. You can go today or tomorrow. The next one. The people may stay. Next one. The people may go. Two sentences are there. We are going to make it one with the help of or. The people may stay or go. Okay? The people may stay or go. Okay, the last sentence. First one. You can color it red. Second one. You can color it blue. Okay, now I'm going to join these two sentences with the help of or. You can color it red or blue. Okay, you can color it red or blue. I hope children you have understood how to use the glue words or conjunctions, means and, but, or. When you want to join words or groups of words or short sentences. If not, you can watch my video once again. Till then, bye and take care.